For those not familiar with the VAL Com 760, when we turn the radio on, it always defaults the same thing. A is 21.7, B is 21.9. It doesn't matter what was in there before you shut down, that's what's in there at startup. Now you might think this is a flip-flop with a standby because there's an A and the B, but there's not. There's two actives, so you can't preset a frequency. So unless you know what's coming up when you don't need to listen on the radio, there's no point in switching between A and B. Leave it on one and just set your frequencies as you get them. The frequency selector switches, there's 3 of them over on the right side. The knob is only a volume control and squelch. If you pull it, you'll disable the auto squelch. And rotating the knob is just volume. So the first frequency selector is the megahertz, and as you can see, if you hold it up, it moves up to the top. If you hold it down, it moves down. I have found that it's easier, instead of trying to push it to move down, because sometimes it moves and sometimes it doesn't, is just to hold it, and then when you get to the number, release. Even if it's only 1 digit up, if you push it, it might go, it might not. If you hold it and let go, that will work best. And then the decimals, they'll just wrap around and keep wrapping around. And then the tens of decimals. So this is only the 25, 50, 75, and 0. So if our frequency is 125.5, we can set it like that. Listen to the ATIS in Boundary Bay. Then we want to talk to ground to get our transponder code, 124.3. Then when we want to go to Delta Air Park, 123.3. And we know that our first frequency after we get out of the circuit at Delta will be to Boundary Bay. So it's actually useful now to set 27.6 for Boundary Bay and then go back. So once we get out of the circuit in Delta, we can just flip to Boundary Bay Tower.